about 4.5 miles from Port Royal Speedway, riding through Mifflin Town. Really cool little cemetery up on the hill here. Some old gravestones. Super interesting. If I had more time, I'd wander around in there for a while. But I'm on my way to the track and riding through Mifflin Town. This is all brand new for me, but lots of character, I'll say that. Pretty cool. I like it. Just wanted to give you a peek of some of the small towns on the way to the track. And then this, the courthouse here. Look at that. Majestic looking building with a big clock tower and cupola at the top. Wow, that's cool. Interesting. Lots of history here. These buildings go way back, probably to the late 1800s. I see a sign, Port Royal Speedway. That's a good sign. Just a beautiful area coming into Port Royal Speedway. The Allegheny Mountains around. The river. Really nice fairgrounds. Juniata Fairgrounds. The 169th annual Juniata State Fair since 1854. I mean, the track's been here for 56 years now itself, so there's lots of history that goes with this fair, this track, and all that comes with it. But it really super nice. It's beautiful. The mountains around, very well managed, very well maintained. Really nice. So this little stand has been here forever, kind of thing?
It first opened in 1936, I think it says.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you've been serving food since 1936?
I haven't been.
Well, I got that. I mean...
Wait a minute. Yeah, they have been. They have been.
No.
There's actually a lady here who has been helping for 80 plus years.
Really?
She's here today. Yeah,
Wow.
She is
at this stand?
She is here, yeah.
Here at...
Amazing lady.
Thank you. That's so cool. Racetrack? Furniture store. Port Royal.
Yeah, the Amtrak comes by usually around 11:50, 11:55 every day right here.
Are you from here or this area?
No.
You just come in for the races then?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Maryland.
Maryland?
Hagerstown.
Oh, Hagerstown. They got a track up there, don't they?
Yeah.
Does that still operate, Hagerstown Speedway?
Yeah.
Okay. Or I could hop a train to Kansas or something.
Yeah, right.
That's the bridge that they've been working on, and that means people have to get to Port Royal Speedway from different directions because the bridge is out. It's going to be done soon, I hear. Right off the backstretch here at Port Royal. So this is all part of the town of Port Royal, but we're going to be walking across the Juniata River. So, but this is the walking trail across the bridge. It's very cool. So coming to Port Royal Speedway is more than the races, and the races are awesome here. I can tell the track is completely awesome, but it's all this too. These rivers winding and wrapping through the Allegheny Mountains. Yeah, there's a, and then you have the fair ongoing since 1854 here. But yeah, there's all kinds of reasons to come to Port Royal. And I'm going to tell you, that track is one of the prettiest, best maintained tracks I've seen anywhere, asphalt or dirt. And how beautiful is this? It looks like a Bob Ross painting. Very quaint little town. It's nice, very peaceful. I guess you could look at this main strip here and say, hey, not a lot to do here, but for me, I see it as the people here are more imaginative, more creative. They learn to make their own adventure and fun without all the big city amenities. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you have to get even more creative, which only stimulates your mind. Kind of like Mark Twain dreaming up Huck Finn or something, you know? It's a pretty town, Port Royal. And I appreciate it. Appreciate that house right there too, right on the corner. That's nice. I like that.
She has a racing section in the back corner.
A racing section here?
For racing items, you know.
Can Port Royal support a furniture business? Is it hard to make it in small town America here?
We moved here.
Really?
Moved in here, but it's a lot better than where we were before. It's been great.
Really?
We just moved here, August 3rd.
Where'd you come from?
Mifflin Town.
Oh, okay. I just drove through there.
We just needed a bigger building, so we came here. And
Sure.
She bought this, and
So you can make it in small town Port Royal in the furniture business, I guess.
believe,
Yeah.
we're gonna give it a shot. Yeah.
Is it going okay so far?
It's going wonderful.
That's great. I'm
It
glad to
is.
hear it, you know.
Yeah.
Good for you. Good
And
for
it-
you. A furniture store with racing stuff. That's pretty cool. Which team are you guys with?
98 Jared Kaplan.
Oh, was that sort of a light tan car? I saw that it was backed off the trailer.
Golden flavor system.
Oh, I got you. Very cool, very cool. Good luck tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is a beautiful store.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah,
You
it's really
stopped in.
cool. I can tell what time of year it is. How do you like living in this general area?
Oh, it's wonderful. I
It's-
grew up at the racetrack and the playpen and the infield.
The playpen, that must be a thing here at
Now
Port
I'm old,
Royal,
yeah.
the playpen and the infield. I'll have to
Yeah.
investigate that. It is a beautiful area. Connected to
Did you
the
go
tracks.
down to the Point Service Station?
I did not. How far
Oh.
down is it?
That's just down here at the.
Oh, now I got to go do that. I
Oh,
already got 4 miles under me
do you want me
today.
to take you down the
Oh,
golf cart?
do you mind?
No, let me run in and tell
okay.
them I'm going.
Okay,
and then...
thank you.
Hey,
Hey.
the lady I'm looking for. Oh, yeah, my trouble. What'd you do with them stickers?
All right, here we go.
Okay.
That's a real race car there. No, I have a YouTube channel, and I like to show the towns that belong to these racetracks because nobody ever shows you the town. You know, they just tunnel vision to the racetrack. You know, but I'm sorry, what?
Are you videoing now?
Yeah, I am.
They're gonna
I am,
show you, she gonna
because-
show you the town of Port Royal?
I just walked it. Yeah. You own this business? You own the business. Okay. And you got and who drives the race car?
Gerard McIntyre.
Is he here? Oh, and these very exquisite accommodations here. That is nice. Who wouldn't want to live there, huh? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
How are you? Now, do you guys run Port Royal every week?
Yep, pretty much.
Yeah. And when the All-Stars are in town or the Outlaws, you might show up for that too? Is that how that goes?
Yeah, pretty much everything here at Port Royal has been racing.
What's been your best finish at Port Royal?
This year, I guess
Anytime.
finished third
You
just
got-
earlier in the year.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
We won a race last year.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Was that like a weekly local show?
Yes, weekly.
Yeah. How challenging will it be to make the A main for the All-Star show? I mean, these guys are big money teams and the best of the best kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean it's never easy. It's just you got a couple things go your way and a good car, and it's definitely possible.
Is there any advantage to having, I don't know, home field advantage?
Somewhat. I mean, just running here every week, definitely gives you a little bit of an edge over, guys that run here 2-3 times a year.
Sure. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, I mean, are there secrets to the track that you might not know if you're not here every week?
I don't
And
know.
it's
I
just
mean,
a circle, right?
It's a circle. It's a clay oval like
Yeah.
everywhere else. Right?
Yeah, no, that's what I thought.
I've watched
but-
your show. A couple
Oh, have
times,
you?
right?
Oh man, doggone it! Oh, that's so cool. You can't. I can't tell you how good that makes me feel. So you live in Gettysburg.
Yeah.
So I was just in Gettysburg when I went to Williams Grove.
Yeah. Okay. You
yeah.
stayed in Gettysburg?
Yeah, I did. It's amazing to me that Gettysburg is just what, a half hour from the Grove, or maybe 45 minutes
About a half
from the
hour,
Grove. How do
yeah.
you like living in Gettysburg?
Yeah. I mean, I've lived in the area my whole life, so I don't really know anything different.
Sure.
It's I know a lot of people come there, especially every July. It's cool. It's just it's one of them things where you live there all the time. You probably don't appreciate it as much as
Sure.
you should.
It's like living in Indianapolis and you don't go to the Indy 500 either.
Sorta, yep.
But you have been to the battlefield, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, that was the largest battle ever on the North American continent.
Yep.
And it is a big deal to me. It's a beautiful area.
Oh yeah, well yeah, in school obviously we always
Yeah.
went for field trips, but
Devil's Den?
My grandparents, yeah, Devil's Den. My grandparents used to take me up through there.
Sure.
And, in the summertime.
Yeah. Do you work in Gettysburg?
I actually work in Maryland.
Maryland?
Westminster, Maryland. Yeah.
What do you do over there?
Mechanical engineer.
Really?
Work at a company down there called Knorr Brake. I do or design doors for like subway cars, like New York City and
Wow.
DC. And,
No wonder I'm fumbling here. I always fumble when I talk to super smart people, I get a little intimidated, you know what I'm saying?
What's your YouTube channel?
History Mystery Man.
History Mystery.
Man, because I'm a man too. History Mystery Man, yeah. That's the one. Well, okay, so where'd you go to school for your mechanical engineering degree?
I went to York College.
York College.
Yeah, local school.
And you graduated with a degree in mechanical engineering?
Yep.
Well, that's congratulations. I know that's super hard to do. I could never get through engineering school. There's no way.
It was definitely tough, but
I bet.
definitely glad I did it too.
Yeah, I bet you are. That's so cool. You're a mechanical engineer then.
Yep, mostly because of racing. It's
Yeah.
kinda what led me to do it.
Do you connect the two? I mean, your mechanical engineering
yeah,
skills,
I do
they play out here
sometimes,
too
but-
in racing?
They do, but there's a lot of things that you do on a race car that make no sense at all. So
Yeah.
it's a little disconnected.
Like when you tumble down the backstretch or something? Nah, you shouldn't do that.
Right.
There's no sense in that.
Yeah.
And the car owners don't like it either.
No.
You know that, right?
They're not too fun.
Okay. So who is the car owner here?
Brian Ehrenzeller?
Okay. And you drive for him.
Yep.
Well, that's cool. You're a cool story. You live in Gettysburg, one of my favorite places on planet Earth. You're a sprint car driver with a mechanical engineering degree. I admire that. I do.
Thanks.
Hey, thanks for your time. I appreciate you.
Yep, no problem.
Yeah, man.
There's inspections and service here too.
Okay, inspection service.
Yep.
So it's you want to get your car fixed, you can get it done here.
Yep.
And we are right in downtown Port Royal. Is there such a thing as downtown? Downtown, uptown, it's all the same thing here. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, let me get this. A little race shop in downtown Port Royal. Oh, yeah. Now I'm getting a bigger picture.
Right here, you want a big picture?
Yeah. So this is the shop. Cool.
What are we on here, bud? Hello?
Oh no. This is NBC. We're live on NBC. This is the Today Show because it's today.
It's today.
History.
Here's the big picture.
the big. I always go for the big picture. History Mystery Man on YouTube. This way, if it does rain out tonight at Port Royal, I have a show.
There you go.
You guys. All right. That's enough of me. Thank you all. Thanks for letting me bomb you guys. Thank you. I'm sorry?
Guys out here's hiding from you.
Oh, well, that's all right. I was hiding from them. How hard is it to make the A main tonight?
It'll be hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can do it, but it'll be hard.
Is that your main business here? Serving up propane?
No,
What? Fixing cars? What is it?
inspection, service.
Okay. Gotcha. A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
And a little sprint car racing too. All right.
Okay.
Let's do it. I know you guys are been connected to racing for a long time, right?
Yes. All my life.
All your life, yeah. Now, well, there was a late model driver connected to your family that raced, and I know he died in 2004 or
That
something?
was my brother,
That was your brother. Okay. And what was his name?
Butch Renninger.
Renninger. Okay, yeah, yeah.
We just had a memorial race for him last week, and his grandson won the race.
Are you serious? That is so cool.
Yeah.
That's a gift from God. That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Did you want me to take you up there?
If you don't mind, if you got time, or I can walk either way.
All right.
One thing I like about Port Royal, you don't need a car. You can walk anywhere. I like that. I like that a lot. Thanks for the tour. I
You're
appreciate you. Sorry, lost your brother.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.